Hey guys, today we're looking at 20 questions on termination of agency. Here we go. Which of the following is a common way to terminate an agency relationship? A, mutual agreement. B, breach of contract. C, death of the agent. D, all of the above. D, all of the above. An agency relationship can be terminated by mutual agreement, breach of contract, or death of the agent, among other reasons. What happens to an agency relationship if the principal revokes the agent's authority? A, the agency continues. B, the agency is immediately terminated. C, the agent can continue to act until a replacement is found. D, the agent must seek court approval to terminate. If the principal revokes the agent's authority, the agency relationship is immediately terminated unless the agent has already taken action that the principal cannot undo. Before we move on, we love helping people to pass their real estate exam, and it costs you absolutely nothing. The only thing we ask in return is please subscribe, hit the notification button. It's free to do so, and hit the like button and comment or ask any questions in the comments below. It really helps us out. Also, check out our channel. We have hundreds and hundreds of real estate exam questions to help you pass your test. Here we go. Which of the following events automatically terminates an agency relationship? A, the agent gets married. B, the property is destroyed. C, the agent's license is renewed. D, the principal hires another agent. The property is destroyed. If the subject property of an agency agreement is destroyed, example by fire or natural disaster, the agency relationship is automatically terminated because the objective of the agency can no longer be achieved. What effect does the death of the principal have on an agency relationship? A, the agency continues until the agent is notified. B, the agency is terminated immediately. C, the agent can continue to act on behalf of the principal's estate. D, the agent must seek court approval to terminate. B, the agency is terminated immediately. The death of a principal automatically terminates the agency relationship because the agent no longer has a principal to represent. How can a listing agreement be terminated by the agent? A, by revoking the listing unilaterally. B, by refusing to show the property. C, by mutual consent with the seller. D, by selling the property. C, by mutual consent with the seller. A listing agreement can be terminated by the agent through mutual consent with the seller. This means both parties agree to end the relationship. Which of the following is not a valid reason for the termination of an agency relationship? A, fulfillment of the agency purpose. B, death of the agent. C, disagreement between the agent and principal. D, expiration of the agency term. C, disagreement between the agent and principal. Disagreements between the agent and principal is not in itself a valid reason to terminate an agency relationship unless it leads to mutual consent to end the relationship or another valid cause. What is the effect of the bankruptcy of the principal on the agency relationship? A, the agency continues until the bankruptcy is finalized. B, the agency is terminated immediately. C, the agent can continue to act on behalf of the principal with court approval. D, the agency relationship is suspended. B, the agency is terminated immediately. Bankruptcy of the principal generally results in the immediate termination of the agency relationship as the principal no longer has control over their assets. What type of termination occurs when the agency's specific purpose is achieved? A, mutual agreement. B, termination by fulfillment. C, termination by operation of law. D, termination by impossibility. B, termination by fulfillment. When the specific purpose of the agency is achieved, such as the sale of a property and a listing agreement, the agency relationship is terminated by fulfillment. If an agency relationship is created for a specific period and that period ends, how is the agency relationship terminated? A, by mutual consent. B, by operation of law. C, by expiration. D, by estoppel. Hey guys, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and then the notification bell that'll pop up so you don't miss our videos. It's free to do so. And then give us a thumbs up right here. And then also take a look at the description below because we've got some good stuff there. Just hit more and we have a 170 real estate terms recording MP3 that you can download. And then we also have a 170 real estate terms video that you can also download. And one other thing, you can become a Patreon and you get these two things for free. So go ahead and click that and you'll go to Patreon and you'll see that you can join for just $5 a month. We'd appreciate it. C, by expiration. An agency relationship created for a specific period is terminated by expiration when the agreed upon time period ends. Which of the following is true if the principal becomes mentally incapacitated? A, the agency relationship continues. B, the agent must get a court order to terminate the agency. C, the agency is terminated immediately. D, the agent can continue to act on behalf of the principal. C, the agency is terminated immediately. If the principal becomes mentally incapacitated, the agency relationship is generally terminated immediately unless a durable power of attorney is in place. What occurs when an agency relationship is terminated by mutual consent? A, the agent has the right to claim damages. B, both parties agree to end the relationship without penalty. C, the agent must give back any commission earned. D, the relationship is terminated by law. B, both parties agree to end the relationship without penalty. When an agency relationship is terminated by mutual consent, both the principal and the agent agree to end the relationship without any penalties or further obligations. What effect does the revocation of the agent's license have on an agency relationship? A, the agency is temporarily suspended. B, the agency continues as long as the principal agrees. C, the agency is terminated immediately. D, the agency continues under a different agent. The agency is terminated immediately. If an agent's license is revoked, the agency relationship is terminated immediately because the agent can no longer legally perform real estate duties. What happens to an agency relationship if the property involved is sold by the principal directly to a buyer? A, the agency is terminated by fulfillment. B, the agency is terminated by mutual consent. C, the agency continues. D, the agent is entitled to a commission. The agency is terminated by fulfillment. If the property is sold, the agency relationship is terminated by fulfillment because the purpose of the agency to sell the property has been achieved. What is the result if the agent unilaterally renounces the agency relationship? A, the agent is in breach of contract. B, the principal can sue for damages. C, the agency is terminated, but the agent may be liable for damages. D, the agency continues until a replacement is found. C, the agency is terminated, but the agent may be liable for damages. If an agent unilaterally renounces the agency relationship, the agency is terminated, but the agent may be liable for damages to the principal for breach of contract. When an agency relationship is terminated by operation of law, which of the following is a likely cause? A, mutual agreement. B, the principal's house was sold. C, the agent decided to leave the agency. D, the principal went bankrupt. D, the principal went bankrupt. An agency relationship is terminated by operation of law when an event like the principal's bankruptcy occurs, which legally ends the agency. What happens to the agency relationship if the agent is unable to fulfill their duties due to unforeseen circumstances? A, the agency continues with a substitute agent. B, the agency is terminated by impossibility. C, the principal can sue the agent. D, the agency is terminated by mutual consent. B, the agency is terminated by impossibility. If unforeseen circumstances prevent the agent from fulfilling their duties, the agency relationship is terminated by impossibility. If an agency agreement specifies that the relationship will last for 6 months, what happens at the end of that period? A, the agency is automatically renews. B, the agency is terminated by expiration. C, the agency continues indefinitely. D, the agent must ask for an extension. B, the agency is terminated by expiration. An agency agreement with a specified term ends when the period expires, terminating the agency relationship by expiration. If the principal decides to hire another agent while the current agent is still under contract, what could this indicate? A, the agency relationship continues. B, the agency relationship is terminated by mutual consent. C, the principal may be in breach of contract. D, the agent must agree to work with the new agent. C, the principal may be in breach of contract. If the principal hires another agent while still under contract with the current agent, this could be considered a breach of contract unless the original agreement allows for such action. Which of the following actions by a principal will most likely terminate an agency relationship? A, changing the listing price. B, selling the property themselves. C, listing the property with multiple agents. D, refusing to negotiate with buyers. B, selling the property themselves. If the principal sells the property themselves, the agency relationship is typically terminated because the purpose of the agency to sell the property has been fulfilled. If an agency relationship is terminated by the court, which of the following is likely the reason? A, the principal was unhappy with the agent's performance. B, the agent violated a minor term of the contract. C, the principal became legally incapacitated. D, the property was transferred to a new owner. C, the principal became legally incapacitated. A court may terminate an agency relationship if the principal becomes legally incapacitated and is no longer able to make decisions or fulfill their role in the agency relationship. Hey guys, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and then the notification bell that'll pop up so you don't miss our videos. It's free to do so. And then give us a thumbs up right here. And then also take a look at the description below because we've got some good stuff there. Just hit more and we have a 170 real estate terms recording MP3 that you can download. And then we also have a 170 real estate terms video that you can also download. And one other thing, you can become a Patreon and you get these two things for free. So go ahead and click that and you'll go to Patreon and you'll see that you can join for just $5 a month. We'd appreciate it.